Absolute hot mess out here in the tropics today. We have Invest 92W located just off the Ogasawara Islands, headed towards the Izu Islands on coastal Japan. Monsoonal trough extending back behind that. High pressure over northern Luzon, which is going to give way once this river of moisture really begins to set up. But you can just take a look. This is actually Invest 92W located right there. I've seen all the convection down there towards the south, but the center of circulation, kind of hard to tell on IR imagery, a little bit better on visible, but you can see that inflow right here. There's that low level circulation. It's completely exposed. If we had more convection at center, less vertical wind shear, and you can see the shear being indicated with that cirrus kind of blowing right through the middle of the screen here, we could have a strong system on our hands. But right now, it does look like it's going to move towards the north, continue to fall apart. I'm not really expecting this to develop into anything crazy. I do want to note, though, on the heels of it, we still have that convection down towards the south, which the models are trying to pick up on as well. Models also trying to pick up on this big area of convection out towards Guam. All in all, I mean, if you're out here in the Philippines, just expect a river of moisture to set up as we go ahead through the latter part of the week. But the GFS having a hard time. This is a classic example of what we call convective feedback. You get one system popping up, the model kind of tries to pick up on that, then it picks up on another and another and another, and it just runs away with it. And one reason why it would be nice if we had more observations out here in the Western Pacific between ship, plane, balloon obs, hunters would be great. But you can see here the GFS trying to pick up on a system there. It's all over the place. This is one of those times where you kind of have to look at the model and go, all right, let's stand back. Let's take a breather together here, guys. Let's take a look at what's happening here. So first off, I do want to show you what the ECMWF is also showing here at this time with our area of low pressure. So first, you got the one that moves out there towards the Izu Ogasawara Islands. That's going to really fall apart, could bring some scattered showers to Tokyo. But this is that area of convection on its heels, which at this time, the ECMWF and GSFs trying to pick this up and run it over towards the Amami Islands, could even impact parts of Okinawa as well. Really, like I said, there's a few questions to be had here. This isn't out of the realm of possibility. Why? A little moderate high pressure area over the Korea Peninsula combined with that high over northern Luzon. This would try to funnel and filter in between those two and kick off towards the west. Not exactly sure how strong it could get. GFS once was showing a full-on typhoon. ECMWF there showing more of a tropical depression, the tropical storm. Regardless, there's a lot of moisture and a lot of energy with that. So, you know, this is one of those setups where it could rapidly change over the course of about 24 to 48 hours. For sure want to watch it. But I mean, like I said, look at that. Another area of convection on its heels. But this is the big thing for my friends out here across Southeast Asia. That just monsoonal flow, the river of moisture with our area here. Watch as it stretches all the way back towards northwestern Luzon, ushering in that persistent precipitation, and some areas definitely could see enough to cause some flooding. So always remember, you know, if you get some of those floodwaters, stay out of them. They could carry disease, sharp objects. Just not smart to risk yourself to head out some of these areas. Take a look at Tuesday. I do want to look at a little local forecast. Metro Cebu, a high of 30 there. You got afternoon thunderstorms in your forecast. Manila could see some local showers there on Tuesday. And same over towards the north. But Tuesday, modest. Really stuff is going to pick up by Wednesday, Thursday, and also into Friday as well. And that's why actually on the forecast for Manila, latter part of the week, got those thunderstorms in there too by 29 degrees only on Friday, and pretty much cloudy skies in Metro Manila. The sun is going to be hard pressed to peeping on through from time to time there. And same over towards Cebu, highs into the 30s as well. Anyways, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please let me know. Also, I'm going to have another update on what's going on in Sakurajima there in Kyushu. Level 5. First time I can remember it ever going to a level 5 warning after a lobbed volcanic rock about 2.5 kilometers away from the crater. Pretty massive eruption there recently. Also, do want to say big thanks to everybody here on Patreon who helps make these updates possible as well. But yeah, watch out for the update. I'm going to put something out on that too. Stay safe out there.